I would just request you to please comment in the comment box. That's it. Cool. Nice. Actually, just three. Only two people are part of social media, nobody else. 4, 7, 3, 4. Okay. 4. Good. So what I request you to do is quickly take a piece of paper and write those 4, 7, 3 in this manner. What you're going to do with the right side columns, we'll decide that later in a minute. But on the left side, you put a heading, social media platforms, and start writing 1, 2, 3. It could be a rough paper, no need to be anything serious. Just pick up a paper, pick up a pencil, and start writing. That's it. Just somebody tell me yes when we have to go forward. Just type Y in the chat box so we can go forward. Diksha 3. Good, Diksha. Please write it down in the format like this, small piece of paper. Make sure you have enough space on the right side so that you can fill all these check boxes inside. Once you have done the job on a piece of paper, just type Y in the chat box so we can go forward with the next part. Okay, 2 people have finished. Let's wait for some more people to join. Thank you, Sanjana. Yeah. Little faster, other people. Good. I think we'll move on. So, just keep the paper in front of you. Only when I say write it in the paper, then write in the paper. Okay, don't worry too much about the paper and the table that you have done just right now. Focus on the presentation. Okay, when I say write it down, please write it down quickly, very quickly. Next answer should be very quick. Now that you have written all the 7 or 4 or 3 platforms that you are part of. So think about this question. Don't write anything anywhere. So obviously you follow, connect, some or in many ways of doing it. There are different names for this in different social media. So most of the things is follow, followers, following, all these things. So most of your social media connections are about your friends, family. Think answer in your head. No need to write anyway. Think about the answer in your head. Is it family, friends, then celebrities, inspirations, brands, anything else that I missed? You can add to the list, please. You can unmute yourself and add to the list. Most of your social media connections are about what? If anything that I missed, you can add to that list.
Books, storybooks.
Storybooks. I mean, book titles. Yes.
Fandom.
Sorry.
Fandom pages.
Fan.
People who follow certain books.
Oh, nice. Fan following kind of thing. We are all part of that kind of, like music again, brand or artist. Okay, nice, very nice. That's interesting. That's how people get connected. Good. Come on, guys. Anything that I missed? If anytime you feel that no, sir, we don't, you've covered everything. Just if somebody can quickly say N in the chat box, I can quickly go ahead. Okay, that will be good, right? So that I know that, because if usually what happens is we have this gesture of nodding up left and right and top and bottom. And I don't know, you guys insist of not owning your videos, so this is the new way we can at least do that, so that the connection is keep going on and doesn't disturb the flow of the presentation. Okay. um so let's, what you have to do right now on the piece of paper that you have already chosen, first box beside each of the social media, there is majority of your connections are for entertainment. That is, let's say, for example, for me, if I talk about my social media, let's say in Facebook, majority of my connections is Facebook's are friends, family, and so on. And very limited part is for learning, like, but basically majority is entertainment, movies and all those things, my likes, my dislikes, my everything like that. But very little part of architecture peeps into my uh, Facebook channel, or learning, any type of learning. For example, I want to learn something about science, about astronomy, that is my interest. And if I want to learn about some crafts and arts and crafts, that part is not much there in that my social media network there. So what should I do? So 80% is my entertainment and 20% is my learning from this social media channel called Facebook. That is my personal answer. So you have to quickly just, sorry, we'll go back. You have to quickly write that in the first box. For example, um, beside A, write 80 is to 20. 80 being it is mostly for entertainment or connections, and other one is mostly for just 20% is for learning. Anything new, anything I want to know. For example, I have the chance to do so if I follow a news channel, or I follow some brand or something like that. I don't know. That will gives you information every week or every day. So I follow them so that they keep giving you information about new things happening in the world. So that kind of learning, exposure, that kind of thing. So 20% is exposure, 80% is my personal thing. So are you able to understand? Any doubts on this? So beside each social media platform, you just write X is to X, or 80 is to 20, 30 is to 70, 40 is to 20. Doesn't matter. Take your time, just quick, at the same time, little faster also. Write it, finish this entire column. First column is finished. So the column is basically, the title of the column is follow. What kind of follow you do actually? You do 80% for entertainment and 20% for learning, or the other way around, 20% for entertainment or connections, and 80% I use social media for learning something new or knowing about something new. Are we good to go forward? Yes or no in the chat box? Thank you, Sanjana. Anjali, waiting for some more to type. Good. So now, can you, before we go forward, can one by one, starting from who said S first, can you quickly say out what is your number that you have written on the sheet? I believe Sanjana did first somewhere.
Sir, 85 is to 15.
This is for which platform?
WhatsApp.
Oh, WhatsApp. Okay. What is the next one you have?
Instagram, 90 is to 10.
Okay.
YouTube, 70 is to 30.
Interesting. Any other? Let's give chance to next person. Who said what? Yes, next in the comments.
Sorry.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Instagram 40 is to 60.
Oh, 60% learning. Interesting.
Facebook is 90 is to 10.
Okay.
Pinterest is only learning. I don't.
Oh, okay. You don't connect. You don't know nothing about entertainment. Okay.
Quora is also same.
Mm-hmm.
It's all about questions. Then YouTube 60 is to 40.
Mm.
Twitter 90 is to 10.
Mm-hmm.
YouTube Telegram is all for connecting people. Entertainment.
Nice. answer your answers trustfully. Okay?
Hmm.
So let's see how it works. So shall we go for next? Let's go for next question, right? You might have heard of these in many platforms that you're part of. These are very common hashtags. So my question is, have you ever started? I mean, don't write this answer anywhere. This is a personal question. You have to think about this question. Ever started or a hashtag that you only created, or you followed something big, or participated in a huge world level hashtag the trends that happens in any of these social medias? Did you? So you'll have an yes or no answer in your mind, right? Okay. Anybody would like to share that your experience with respect to, yes, sir, I've done something interesting. I participated in this kind of hashtag and I supported many people. And maybe something happened after that. The world has changed because of this. And I'm really proud to be part of it. Any story like that? Please unmute yourself and share the story, please, to us.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Unmute yourself and share the story. Don't say yes, sir. Answer, I already know. Share the story.
Sir, hashtag support small business.
Okay.
So
Tell the story, right?
support
Do you think
the local businesses out there in India. Just
Very
the
good.
way the people do catering from house, or they send handmade gifts. So it's like supporting the small businesses.
So what happened after that? Did it reach to a level and really change things around us, or it was okay? On a moderate level, it did change, but not so high.
Yes,
Is it okay?
I helped a lot of people, sir, actually.
Good.
I ordered for some gift stuff from a person who does it by her own, and I ordered some food that catering services who do food from their home and deliver to our houses. So that way I help
You
many
ordered,
people.
was you or your family you're talking about? You only, right? You only took the
Yeah, me,
initiative.
sir, me.
Good. Very good. Any other story anybody would like to share?
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. Like in Hospate, we had created a hashtag called Helping Hands of Hospate. It's just a small website or kind of thing. There we used to gather people and go help the poor, like my friends, like
Okay.
give them food, clothing, and whenever they posted something or anything else, just to put the hashtag called Helping Hands of Hospate. We helped many people. That's it.
So it really turned out to be good. You're saying, it was really did the work. So
Yeah,
actually,
and
one
many
of the
people also volunteered for that.
things,
Elders, kids, small children.
many people. Fantastic, man. Really nice. And you're part of it. It's very proud for us. I mean, I'm really proud of all of you guys. Many people will be there in the list. I'll give you a chance of this little later, or else just one more person. Anybody would like to share any story, or shall I go forward? Any other person would like to share any story that you're part of? Okay, let's just go forward. So again, whenever I have a question, ask a question that is a group question and it has a yes or no answer. And if you know that no from your side, just put a no n in the chat box, So I quickly have an idea to go forward, not dwell on this, because I can't see your faces right now, as simple as that. So let's not break that conversation there. So n would be enough. No need to type n. No. Y would be enough for yes, especially when I'm addressing the group. And usually yes or no questions, since you are the part of the group. So hashtags is done. So my question right now, the second column you have to fill right now. These hashtags are sometimes fun, like your kind of friends, memories, your family, relationships, and one is social cause, right? If you ever been part of this hashtag business, if it is no, then we can't do anything. There is no, you need to answer this question. If you are part of this hashtag questions, so your first ratio is your personal, families, relationships, and all those things, and a social cause. So 1:1 is social cause. So one, I use whatever total hashtags I participated in. 40 of them are for my personal. I only created those hashtags like my photograph or my camera or my visit to Goa beach or something like that. That is for me. And the other hashtag that I used is for social cause. So 50% I use for myself or 80% I use for myself. Been to Goa, go Goa gone, hashtag and all those things, riding and rain, all those things. And the 50% I use for actually a social cause. So that kind of a thing. Just please write it in your list, please. And once you finished, you know what to do. Type yes or Y inside the chat box. And if that particular platform that you have written, it doesn't have this kind of feature of hashtags, then don't worry. So don't write anything. Thank you, Naghemika. Okay. So the next question is likes. Ever liked, saved, subscribed? You know, nowadays we can save the posts, right? In our, what do you call, some kind of a safe place where we can go back and look at those things. So all the social posts can be shared in many platforms. You can bookmark it or so on. There are so many ways to do it. And I like it. First I share that, okay, thank you for this information. Then since I liked the information, or I go and follow the channel or like the channel or subscribe the channel, in the purview of learning, it happened to you? Did it ever happen to you? No? Good. So this question, the question that you have to write inside your sheet right now is same as your first question. That is personal. How many things I have learned, done, like, saved, and subscribed for personal reasons, and how many I've done for learning reasons. Same ratio, you put it down. Okay. We'll quickly go back to one part, okay? There is one point I missed here. Just once you finished your writing, then we'll do this. Okay. So listen to me right now. Don't stop writing. Listen to me. This question is very important. You have always shared your love in social media towards your people, especially your friends when they start photographing things, random things of their life in various medias. You definitely liked it, you know. And how many of you people written YouTube in a social media platforms? Anybody has written YouTube in a social media platforms? Anybody? That person can type Y in the answer. Okay. So I have a question for these two students at least, just to understand. Because Syed Fauzan and Anjali Nair, right? Listen to me carefully. So you've been part of this particular YouTube channel or YouTube browsing from a very long time, isn't it? My question is, how many times have you commented on this YouTube channel? Fauzan, your answer, please. Oh, fantastic. How many, so same people, you have Instagram on your, you also follow Instagram, I believe, so Fauzan and Anjali Nair. Yes. Nice. So how many you have liked in Instagram? Majority, like not rarely, right? Many, right? Plenty, right? Unnumberable. So, and I believe that everybody else would answer the same thing. It is not these two people, everybody would do the same thing. So the problem is on a YouTube, on a personal level, I'm not connecting to, I mean, maybe my friend would have Charles had a YouTube channel. Maybe that is why I went to YouTube channel, maybe possible. And then we can talk about other things later. What is that called? So my question is, why do we resist ourselves to thank somebody for creating a video on YouTube? Any video. Why do you resist on thanking somebody, liking somebody, or liking that particular video? So I don't see like, share, subscribe happening anywhere else in Instagram, Facebook. I see this YouTube videos and always end with please like, share, subscribe, because people are not able to do it, even though they feel it. The same thing would have happened in Instagram. They would have immediately commented it. They would have liked it. Yo, bro, something they would have done, but they would not do that in a YouTube platform. Maybe different reasons, different things. But some person out of the world, some other part of the world, created a video of, let's just say, how to fold a paper into a butterfly. You like that video. You learned a lot. But did you share that, thank you very much, so-and-so person, for sharing this? I learned something new today. How many people have watched YouTube cooking videos in the last 3-4 months and created something interesting? The faculty can also answer this. Yeah?
The whole lockdown, I think we did that.
So, good, fantastic. So my question is, did we come, like, for example, if your mom shares a recipe to you on a mobile phone or something, you go back and tell them it came out really great, mom, I really did it, fantastic. You share that person, right? But since we have done the same thing from YouTube channel, why do we take it as free or granted? Why don't we tell them, thank you very much, I follow your channel, it's very nice, and today's recipe came out beautiful. And thanks for your small tips that you have given here and there. That really helped me a lot. Should we be participating in that or should we not be participating in that? Yes or no? Our question this is to entire group. Should we be participating this way? So Instagram, instantly, I want people to like. I like people. I can comment to people. They will also do the same thing to me. On YouTube channel, not really. On a Quora channel, I go, for example, you are definitely might have asked questions, what is the best college to join or what is the best field? Somebody has written a nice answer that really might change your entire career choice tomorrow. You might have read that in the Quora thing. Did you like that statement, upvote that statement, or did you comment to him personally, thanks for this beautiful statement, it changed my life? Should we do that or not? Or should we just limit to Facebook and Instagram and sharing our love? We don't share our love towards people helping us out, making us grow better, only on Facebook and Instagram and not other platforms. Is it true what I'm saying in your mindset right now? Is it true what I'm saying? Only Facebook and Instagram I'll share my love. Rest all, I take it for granted. Even though it is a good stuff, even though it is a great stuff, even though it is beautiful stuff that I learned from that particular platform, I listened it, chalo niklo idhar se. Is it right? Is it right? Is this attitude right? Thank you. Think about it.
Yeah.
Yes. Somebody wants to say something. Priyanka, go ahead.
Okay. So I think the attitude is not right, but what happens is with Instagram and Facebook, it's much easier to like share.
I'm not saying, Priyanka, I'm not dwelling into the reasons why you don't do it. I'm just thinking loud. I'm asking everybody to think also for themselves. I don't reasons के ऊपर मत ही चलो. सबके पास अपने reasons है, सबके पास अपना choices है. We just thinking about loud. Should we do it or should we not do it? I think we should do it. Will we do it or not do it is tomorrow will tell.
Yeah.
So let's leave it to that. Nobody's going to judge us. Nobody's going to judge that. I told you now tomorrow to like everywhere, to share everything. No, nobody's going to do that. It's your life, right? Let's leave the reasons what we know. Forget about it. We are having interesting talk. Let's leave it that. Correct, right, students? Tomorrow you're going to act on this new talk that we had. It's your choice. Nobody's going to judge you. It's your life. Take a step up. Take the choice. Make a choice. It's good for us. Cool, right? Are we good, students? Thumbs up in the. If you can do that, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So last one, and a beautiful question. That is where I want to end with. Have you ever met anyone from other part of the world through social media? Some strangers from some other part of country, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Let's start from close by, okay? Let's not jump to Europe and some Greenland or somewhere. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, China, Japan, Asia, Middle Eastern countries. Yeah. A completely unknown person. Oh, I really loved your work, man. Like obviously you would have done for Hostpate, right? Or your country or your nearby place. Like if somebody is promoting something in my town, like there is a beautiful biryani place, man, in Mysore, this particular corner. I will suggest everybody to go there. I just recently found a beautiful biryani place. Oh, you should try that. But what about the people in the world? You have met, obviously. I mean, you have known them. You have known they are good to do good stuff. Did you share it with your friends or did you try to meet that person? Yeah, never, right? Not it. But I hope I'm getting no's only, right? Sorry, I couldn't see the comments. Just 1 second. Somebody has met somebody in the foreign country or other parts of country. Anjali Nair, yes. Girish, yes. Can you please explain your story? I would be really happy to listen to the story.
In Pinterest, when you like or save a particular post, you actually create a sort of board or column.
Yes.
So that is sort of people can look at that, and so somebody, I'm not sure where they're from, but they commented and they said that I really like your post. So I said back, thank you. I really like their post also. I checked them out. So yeah.
Nice. My problem, the story was beautiful, Anjali. The only problem I have is, don't you want them to know you're from India?
And that
Don't
that
you
is
want? Don't you want them to know that you're from India
yes, I do.
or from Mysore, or from this part of the India or whatever it is? So yes or no? Simple yes or no.
Yes.
So, but don't you think they also want you to know what they are from?
Yes.
So, but you said the point that I don't know where they are from. Like it is not important. Like, I'm not saying it is very, very important. It's not for dividing. It's just for knowing information. Oh, you are from there. How can you like not like that? Not that kind of a questioning and answering. Like, oh, nice. Okay, let's talk back to what we are supposed to talk about art or sharing information or whatever it is. But just knowing is good, right? Kya pata, tomorrow you end up that place and that person would have been there. You were traveling maybe. Maybe you would have come to India and you would have ringed up and or you could actually met. He will not make a plan for us, or you will not make a plan to meet that person. But you might have been traveling in that part of the country. Anyways, so many things can happen. There are so many love stories on the top of this, if you have watched it. Anyways, Aishwarya Girish, tell me your story, please. Aishwarya Girish.
Oh, sorry.
You
Yes,
said yes.
sir. I had this friend from Oman. Like, he used to
Oh.
post pictures of food. Okay, like the place is there. So I told him like, I'm from India. I really like. He used to post pictures of like in photographs, like birds and like wildlife photography. He used to. So I told him I'm from like India. I had told him, sir. Then we are friends now. So like we have mutual. That's it, sir.
Nice. Very nice. Really happy. So again, in this question, if you want to type there in the, if you go back to your, what do you call that, chart, you'll have lots of X's and Y's, learnings or social causes or many things, right? No, it is just for you to understand yourself. You want to tip the scale of balance. Somewhere you have more here, more less here. You want to make it this way, make it. You have so much of life left in you, so much of time left in you. You want to shift the balance, but keep checking this kind of balance is there or not regularly, or at least once a year, at least, or a new year, every year. What am I doing in this? What am I doing here? Ever question the purpose of your existence in a social network? I can tell you one thing: everybody's many choices, many chances are there. Many chances are there. Not everybody. Many chances are there. I joined this platform because everybody joined, and I do the job because whatever like share thing and all these things because everybody does it. I never question myself the purpose of my existence. Okay, I want to try it. You went there, you can come back also, but that coming back never happens. Like people who say we will go to US and work and make money and come back to India and support India will never happen. That kind of a thing. So you want to try some new platform, you went inside, you question your purpose and you're like, this is not my purpose, so you come outside. No, you stay there. And don't know why. You stay there, you keep staying there, keep doing things, becomes part of your daily habit, hourly habit. And still don't know what is the purpose of me being part of existence in this particular social media or this particular platform. What is it giving me? Anything new is a question. Anything. Think about this question. This is very personal, no need to write anywhere, nothing. Ever question. I'm not saying what question, ever question the purpose of your existing in a social network. Do that, I think, once in a while. Because why I want to ask, there are so many bad things about social network, so many bad things, so many risks, so many things are happening wrong in social media network. I am not for this. This is a technology created by man, for human beings to grow. I'm little optimistic about it. I'm going to look at that way only for now. So, but I should be very careful about it. When I'm talking about good, I should only take good. So, little be careful about that. But because there are some wrong things also happening right now. So you be careful about how much you use, how much you be part of the social network. Because you don't want to lose the good part also, just because something bad is going to happen. Let little adventurous we are, so we'll take the little bit risk right now. That's it. Just a quick outlook of, there are social media out there. For you to better answer your question, what is the purpose of my being in this particular platform? I think it will be able to be very important for you to understand what is the type of platform that we are talking about. There are so many social media things out there, platforms out there, but the classification is very important for you to understand. So I thought I'll give you this information. You might already know it. There's nothing new about this. You might know one or two new places, maybe you can explore those also. The first is the basic social networking. We have Facebook. We have LinkedIn also. That is for professionals only. Facebook is for friends, families, isn't it? It is not for, is it for getting a job opportunity? Do you think so? Facebook is good for job opportunity? Did you join Facebook for job opportunities? Anybody think, is it yes or no question? So, but it's happening right now. It's good only. People are getting jobs. People are knowing people, right people, yes, and so on. But so basically, there is a new platform called, or the old platform only, it is taken again by Facebook. It is like LinkedIn is basically a platform for professionals to find or get to know professionally somebody, a business connection. Not on a Facebook, because Facebook, they want to keep it very much personal, relations, friends, family, that kind of thing. And we have Google Plus profile also. You all have it automatically because you have a Gmail account, but try updating that also once in a while, because these are the first things that will come up first in Google search if I type your name. Don't leave it blank. Don't leave it not doing it. क्या हुआ? Profile it update करने. If you think about it, don't give unnecessary information and every information. Don't be truthful. I want to give everything, right? So that kind of stuff. Microblogging, Twitter, Tumblr. I mean, Twitter and Tumblr is doing lots of interesting stuff in the name of architecture if you look up to. Anyways, so small stuff, basically brief stuffs that you can quickly understand, quickly know what's happening in the other parts of the world. Somebody is sharing anything and everything. Yeah, there is no particular classification inside, but quick one, small ones. They have limitations of how much you should write, how many photographs should be there, and so on. Online publication, same thing, much bigger. You write a blog about something. How do you feel about today? What do you do today? Or what you felt today? What do you want to tell to the world today? Or what do you want to share? Did you want to advise everybody in the world how to not do an architecture student? Write a blog about it. You can't just write in a sentence. Don't join architecture is not a solution for surviving architecture. So you come to a blog or you come to a medium or you try to publish a publication issue or something. You do some graphics or something like that. There are so many publications, Behance and so many things. If you like do some art, you go to some art publication, online publication places where you publish your work or any various type of artwork that you do. Anyways, this is writing only. There are art publications also, be different are there. If you would like, we'll share those things later. Photo sharing, Instagram and Pinterest. Nothing much I should add right now. Video sharing, YouTube, Facebook Live, Vimeo. Do check out this Vimeo. You will automatically see the content of the quality of the content. The same information might be there, not necessarily might be there. I mean, obviously to subscribe one, you will need to pay and all, but you will find a very clear difference of quality of the video that was placed inside this channel compared to a YouTube channel. But again, YouTube is free, it is good, it is supporting people. So it is very bound to happen. It is very bound to happen. So I'm saying take both or good of both. That's what I want to suggesting right now. Nothing more than that. Not supporting you should go YouTube. YouTube is bad. YouTube has done a fantastic social support job, especially during this COVID times. I think many people have started YouTube channel this semester. Even MSA has started in this COVID times only. Not for money's sake or, it's for sharing the knowledge right now, which we had already, because we couldn't do it on classes. Audio sharing. Anybody is into podcasts? I know you all love to listen to music, but anybody into podcast? Anybody don't like reading books? First, answer this question. Sorry. Anybody don't like reading books? Oh, beautiful. Everybody loves reading books. Good. Sapna ma'am, you want to pitch in, please join now.
I said I don't like reading books.
Okay. Ma'am, then you should definitely get into the world of podcast. Have you been, ma'am? Have you been to podcasts?
Oh yeah, whatever you're saying is now information to me.
Oh, ma'am, podcasts are beautiful. You can, while you're cooking in the morning, you can complete one entire book. Okay. That beautiful. So basically, they're reading for you. Basically, like how we that leads to the kids right now.
Yeah.
Somebody reading with a nice tone, with a nice thing, and you got the information. End of the day, because we don't have time to read books, or we don't have. People nowadays do gym. They go for gymming or cycling. They finish the book and come back. With the headphones. Exactly, with the headphones on, and they're doing it. Gym. I mean, I'll not recommend this to the early gym people or cycle people, because you just focus on gym part, how to do it. Once you are really good at it, everything is everyday thing, right? Automatically, it will happen. So now you can put on your headphones and you start listening to that also. So that kind of thing. So this is interesting. So shall we go ahead, ma'am? Yeah. Okay.
Please continue.
So I have many reasons for myself to be participating in social media. I would suggest there will be some place in the right page, right, that you have done the task. Please write your reasons to participate in social media, because there are so many reasons out there that internet will tell you, don't be part of social media. There are so many reasons out there for you to not to be part of social media given by the internet. But since you're already part of it or you still want to be part of it, you have to be very clear about your reasons to be participant. And the reasons cannot be everybody is there now. Everybody is not you. You are not everybody. You are yourself. You make a decision. You have to have a reason for the decision and write those decisions to be participating in social media. If I know this needs some thinking, but anybody who can share one reason for themselves to the public here, I'll be really happy to hear. Anybody would like to, one reason for the public to hear? Remember, nobody's going to judge you. Nobody is going to judge you. I can take watch on this. This doesn't affect it. We'll listen to it, we'll appreciate it, and I'll forget also. Anybody would like to share one reason that they think they have to participate in social media?
Yes,
Please,
sir.
you can unmute yourself and say it, please.
We get to know new people, new things. We get creative ideas. Yeah, those three things. What I get.
Thank you very much. Next. Hello. Anybody wants to? Please unmute yourself. No worries.
I think Kishan raised his hand.
Kishan, you want to speak?
Hello.
Yes, Kishan.
Like we get more information and we can be updated like about the information.
Sorry, Kishan. Only problem with the
We
statement
can learn
is
many.
the only problem in your statement is we. What it should be?
I mean, okay,
Exactly. Exactly. Thank you.
I learn more stuff.
Any Fauzan tried to comment something? Can you explain that same thing through voice? It'll be nice to hear. Fauzan? Okay. Fauzan is here, right? Yeah. Can I not hear or what? Okay. So anyways, this is an important task that you have to write below that tabular column. I'm talking about 5 reasons for you to be part of each of those platforms, okay? Not one for everything. You have written some platforms. You have to write at least 5 reasons for each of this platform for yourself. And keep it with you. Don't need to share it to anybody. But you should know those at least, okay, fine. 5 is too much maybe, okay. 3 reasons, okay? Deal, 3 reasons for each of the platform. Why am I here? Am I doing that? Am I giving that balance that I talked about before? That's it. So now let's just talk about must visit places in social media for architecture students only. Quick thing, my presentation is going to finish in next 5 minutes. Your presentation will be shared later. You can copy those right now. But if you already visit these places, type yes in the chat box. If you don't visit this already, don't worry, don't type anything. Are we clear? Shall we go ahead? If you visit these particular things that I'll show next thing, please type yes. First, the best is superb. Please use it the right tool. The only problem with Google and Wikipedia is people use it very badly. Very badly, very badly. And these are the main tools, and you should know how to use it exactly. And there are videos out there, there are pages out there to how to use Wikipedia the best way possible. How to get the best information of this free encyclopedia of the world. How to get best information, the right information quickly through Google platform search engine. There are right ways to do it to get the best and the quality and the resourceful information from both of these platforms. And it is not like this is the internet age. This is the age of information. If you know what to learn, the information is already there. Search how to be the best person, how to be the best searcher in Google platform, how to be the best searcher in Wikipedia platform. And do participate also. If possible, do participate. Google have this kind of doodle competitions every year. every month or something like that, please participate in Google of this participant. And Wikipedia, you can only write a Wikipedia page tomorrow. If you know something about your village that you want to add it to the village post already in Wikipedia, please add it. What are you waiting for? You are from that particular village or that particular town or that particular city or that particular colony or that particular country. Write about that. Add it into the Wikipedia page, especially. You know something about something, you are maybe, for example, your father might be an artist or something like that. Be part of Wikipedia and start contributing back to it also. Don't be a downloader and all those things, you know. We are super free mein maal milega, so we'll take everything. Irrespective of do we need it or not, we'll take everything. We'll download. And my question is, be a decent person internet and give it back also sometimes. Don't just keep it inside your computer or mobile phone, which is again useless only because you just download it because it comes free right now. Don't go for the free stuff. Try to give it back also sometimes. Let's see how it works out. Good platforms. I have a competition for you to do. I don't know if you guys like it. Try it to me. If you just send me a screenshot, that would do. When I do a Google search, what will happen? It will show me some, let's say, image search. I want to do a Google image search right now. Images will start coming. How many images are there? So many images will come. Correct? Let's say my task for you guys is cat. Search for an image of a cat in Google. There will be many images that will come right now. Shall we do it right now? Do we think we have time? Can I spend 10 more minutes, Priyanka? Would they speak with them? Or I'll finish it.
No problem.
I mean, that's a task. Or we'll do it later. Or else we'll do it later. It's okay. Better that when we find time before lunch or something, we'll do it. Okay, we'll come back to Google later. There are many magazines, online magazines like this, but these are 3 best that I suggest personally that you should be part of. Arch Daily, Design, and Design Boom. Nowadays, they have video contents and so many more. Maybe you don't have time for going to their website every day and checking out what they have uploaded. You can go to their website and link your mail ID to them. They will send you every day short stories of what is happening with the world in terms of architecture, design, and many things. Architect talks or anything. So they will send you every day. How many people read newspaper here regularly in the audience? The students, anybody, how many people read newspaper every day? Kishan, you raised a hand. Good. Kishan?
Hello, sir.
Yes, you want to say something?
That's what, sir. I raised hand because I
raised hand for you to say something. If you want to say yes or no, then type Y in the comment. Yeah? Are you clear?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Wow. So this is also basically you have 3-4 types of newspaper maybe. And people who don't read newspapers, at least this is our news for sure. This is at least you should know. If you are not interested in reading newspaper, but I would suggest you should read newspapers and all. Everyday news is important. At least half an hour news in the morning is good of how the world is working out. But this is our news. This is our part. We are going to be part of this kind of a platform, this kind of a career tomorrow. So we should know about this better than anybody else. So this is where the magazines that will come, that we are part of. So shall we go for next? Podcast series. So, and again, good. And I'm really happy to tell you that our podcasts in architecture are very serious, very important. And they say that there is no nonsense about many of the podcasts that I heard. I liked everything. Usually I thought I should select 1 or 2 from here and follow them. Everybody is taking a good point because that is the freedom of an artist, right? Everybody made sense. They want to spread the word to the world, and beautiful all those things are. Please join as you like if you would like to. Every day morning, half an hour or 10 minutes, their usual talks will be. See what you can learn from them. It's your choice. YouTube. If you talk about skills, there are 1,000 videos already in everything. These are something I personally follow. Sketch Like an Architect by David. So beautifully, and especially like very small, quick tips for making your drawings look better than what you could do. Nothing very fancy or nothing very artistic about it. Very quick ones. Actual drawings, little more details of how to draw actual buildings, kind of things, you know. Then ArcDog is something that I love this person. This guy shoots architectural spaces like nobody. There are just small 2-minute videos. ARCDOG. That is the third one. You go to this, you'll appreciate architecture space without even being there. You will feel that you are there. That's the way he shoots it. No gimmicks, no fancy stuff and all. It is just simple. He does the job. I hope you'll enjoy this channel if you go and watch the video. It doesn't matter who made the building for now. You enjoy the video. Once you like the video, definitely do know who is the architect of the building, what was his philosophy behind this building, why did he even make this kind of building. Plus, definitely do know. 3040 Design Workshop. Fantastic place for, as an architect, I'm also learning so much from this website. Is every day current information is given for this. It is helping students across all over the world, all over architecture fraternity, also all over the world. Do follow this guy, definitely. He has answers for every small thing that we have doubts for. And it's good, it's always in one place. And if you want to, as I told you, your information should be more right now. One of the architect said, social media, what is happening right now, is the first draft of history. And we are part of it. So, if I have to ask you a simple question of, you remember Eiffel Tower? You remember pyramids of Giza? In that thing, imagine if you are standing next to it when it is getting constructed. Don't you think it will be nice? Imagine Taj Mahal. Imagine Howrah Bridge, Qutub Minar. Imagine you are there in that area when it was getting constructed. And you are every day you're seeing brick by brick, column by column, one truss to other truss, it's getting connected. And maybe you're taking photographs, you're taking selfies, and all those things also happening. So you're part of that history, man, the proud history right now. So it is happening now also. It is happening today. Today, someplace, some history is getting created. But the problem is we don't know about it. We want to wait for 10, 50,000 years later when it gets in a book, when everybody says it is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Then, oh, that happened in my next street only. Okay. It is 7th wonder of the world. You are able to understand this logic? Today, things are happening. Tomorrow's history is happening. And the first draft is there in our social media platforms. These are the various institutions that we usually follow because many present architects, world over architects, renowned architects, actually come and give lectures. And they keep it open for public. And this is where we can learn what's happening around the world, how architects are thinking today, for what purpose, what reason, how they are doing spaces nowadays, why they are doing spaces that way nowadays, why they should be doing space, everybody should be doing spaces that way. You will know more about architecture through this. And the last one, definitely not the best one, is TEDx Talks. There are definitely an architecture and design playlist inside TEDx Talks. Please watch that. At least, if not, if you want to go all the way, because at least TEDx is a much curated playlist. And I know if there is a video about architecture in TEDx Talk, you must listen. Simple as that. Dot. The last one, you all know, Instagram, how to use hashtag, how to use Pinterest. Save it. If you search my name, and I hope you do follow my Pinterest, my Instagram, my Facebook, I'm open to check out what Sandeep sir is doing. You know, how he uses Pinterest, how he uses Instagram, what posts that he put in Instagram, what posts that he put in Facebook. I don't know, maybe you will like it, then follow me. If you don't like it, unfollow me. And let's see what happens. I'm there in Pinterest, I'm there in Instagram, I'm there in Facebook, I'm there in Issuu, I'm there in many of the platforms that I told. YouTube also, I'm there, yes. So anyways, there are many more places to explore. This is just my simple suggestion to start the entire journey, not to finish the journey, just to start. Try to be part of these for this semester. Let's see where it takes. Then you'll find so many other things. But I'm talking about learning, not for entertainment, not for time pass. Social media as a tool of learning. My reason for social media is learning. My personal only reason for social media, there was some there is some Netflix documentary that came up. What was that name? I forgot. Priyanka ma'am, you remember that Netflix about social media?
Social networking? Or are you talking about the
Movie.
recent one?
The recent.
It was Social Dilemma.
Yes.
Social dilemma.
So what is wrong with social and so on. So that day I watched it and like I know if I watched it, I would have shut everything, put the mobile aside for the rest of my life. And it did happen in my mind at the second. But you can call it I'm addicted to social media or whatever it is. But the reason I thought that day morning is I have to learn, and this is the best way I can learn now. Because 10 years ago, when I was a student of your age, I have to go to the library and pick up one book because they will not give more than one book for me to learn in a given day or to even just browse through. So I would take one book only, put my name, everything, then go back. Then the entire process is so lazy that I don't even go back to get another book. But if the information would have been easier with me, I would have actually learned 2-3 people at least. I would have known, browsed about who are they. Okay, there's an architect called Frank Lloyd Wright in some part of the country, or he has done some good stuff in America. Okay, at least this information I would have had. But this process of entire going to library, getting architect books, because there is no one place to get information. And we would not have internet facilities till our third year also, much stronger internet facilities. Yeah, we're a little poor college, you can say. But, or maybe I was a little poor about how to use technology at that age. So, but you are not any of those. You should take more advantage than me. If I can take this advantage, you should get this much. So, hope you do that. All the best. Thank you. Any simple, quick queries that you have? Or else we'll take a break and Priyanka ma'am will tell when to join back. Any words, faculty would like to say something, add to it, or go against it, anything? Please share.
Very informative presentation, Sandeep. I think after this, students will be able to utilize this more effectively, more efficiently. Thank you for the presentation. It was very informative for us. Some of us who are not very into social media so much, we understand how much we are missing out on. Thank you for that.
Students, anything? All good?
Hello.
Yes, Kishan.
Sir, your username or ID on Insta.
You just search Sandeep Kasina, you'll find everywhere. Same thing.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I mean, that should be the basic thing. Okay. Chalo, guys. Ma'am, what would be the time we'll meet back, ma'am?
Yeah, it is 10:50. So I think we can meet by 11. 10-minute break should be sufficient. Or should we give a longer break?
Anything.
Or we give a 20-minute break. 11:10 should be fine, even if they wish to have a cup of tea and come back. Yeah. Okay. So we'll be back at 11:10. Sure.
Guys, this is the part 2 of the same series right now. Don't think it's a new workshop. We're going to finish this entire story in first half. Archigram part 2. I just talked about how to learn from it. So there is more to it than just learning from it. Taking it. My part is taking it from there. Now, let's see what Priyanka ma'am has in this basket. Let's just go through that. Yep. Let's meet back at 11:10. Tata, bye-bye, guys.
Thank you, Sandeep. That was quite an informative session.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. See you all at 11:10.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.